Aw, my little butterfly, guys. He's my little friend. Looks like he slid on me. He doesn't seem to be too afraid of little Hannah either. And I kind of wiped him away a couple times, like, go on, little friend, go on. But he wouldn't. Oh, he wanted to be here with me. Even the little butterflies know. Such a sweet little thing of the Lord. Look how pretty he is, guys. Pretty little butterfly. Aw, so cute. And he just lit on me and he won't go away. Aw. He thinks I'm sweet, I guess, right? Aw, look at him. Hannah, do you like the little butterfly? Hey, Hannah, come here. Come here, Hannah. Look, little butterfly friend. Look, little butterfly friend. Dog and butterfly, up in the air he liked to fly. Dog and butterfly. I know. And though he had to try, and Hannah rolled back down to the warm, soft ground, laughing. She doesn't know why, but she had to try. Dog and butterfly. Aw. I just thought y'all would like this today. It's really cute. Maybe it's my perfume. I'm not sure. Love you guys.